Alright, now this is how we fix an iPod Touch. That's how you fix an iPhone. Fix anything. Tablets, iPhones, regular phones, change the color on an iPhone. Even fix a laptop screen. For those of you who are watching, somebody's knees are in the way. You can even fix a laptop screen, so don't ditch it. Whatever I told you, ignore. New place, I'll give you the website. Here's the website. appaccessories.co. It is not com. appaccessories.co. They're at the Plaza, at South Shore Plaza in Braintree, and they are directly across from the Apple Store. How convenient. Yeah, you want to be in my video? You're in my video. All right. See you later.